Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's late winter, August 2023, and I'm going to harvest these white Indian guavas. Even though they're still green, what we do with them is we use them in food, just like you use green bananas and green papayas and green other green vegetables. Yeah, we do the Indian whites the same way. You can also eat them in a salad, but we cook them. So I'm gonna be picking them now because many of them are turning white, and when they're white, they're basically different tasting. They taste like more like a fruit than a vegetable. So, see the color shift on that one? Yeah, and there's other ones too that are starting to turn, like that one there. So I'm gonna go around and look for the ones that are the ripest. There's another white one. See that one? Compared to the green one. See the difference in color? So that's what we're doing today. And we freeze them so that whenever we want to have guava as a savory dish, usually in curry, we just unfreeze it. Okay. We have, geez, I wonder how much this weighs. I can't even lift it on one side. So, I see a cat. Wow, a rare sighting. Yeah, so I left quite a few in here, about 50, maybe more, for the end of the crop. Hopefully they don't fall and rot, because if you don't catch them, guys, if you don't catch them, this is what happens. If you leave them on the tree, they rot. They turn to vinegar. If you don't pick this right early, not too early, like in June, July, but August is perfect, right? So it's rock hard, and at the same time not starting to rot. So it's a fine line of when to pick them. And there it is. That's the fine line there. Some of them are white or whiter, like this one, right? See the difference? This one here is much riper, more ready to go in any dish. But this one is fine too. Actually, they're all fine. Once it gets to this level, then the fermentation begins. They get soft and they spoil. So you can't go too white for cooking purposes. Eating fresh, yes. This is perfect now. Hey guys. Very crunchy. And a hint of sweet. 10% sweet, 90% sour. But the guava flavor is there. 100% guava taste. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna take these in now and freeze them. So we have guava throughout spring from the freezer. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you from the next video at Fruitopia. Bye guys.